Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestumalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will ants go away on their own. And before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video and also help my channel grow. Now, ants can be anywhere, and it's really difficult to get rid of the ants. And they are usually around all of those places where you keep your foods, and they are attracted to various kinds of foods because ants actually eat various kinds of foods. Now, they can eat dead animals, they can eat dead insects, they can eat your different kind of foods that you keep uncovered and keep within a reach, and even some products, some food that you keep covered, ants can even reach those kind of places. So it's really difficult to get rid of the ants, and this is a big problem because once they start coming in, they come in big numbers and can quickly damage your food. Now, expecting them to go away completely on their own is not really a very valid thing because ants won't really go away really soon because they are usually seen around the monsoon season. During the monsoon season, they are actually much more active, but that doesn't mean they won't come out during summer or winter season. They usually come out in all kind of seasons, and if you keep your food uncovered, especially the sweet ones, these ants will come out and try to take a bite over there. And you will see that the number eventually increase once one of the ants starts coming in, and within, let's say, it can happen overnight or also when you are not looking, the ants can actually come and totally destroy your uncovered food. The ant usually actually target the uncovered food because it's really easy. The scent of that food actually floats around in the air, and since ants have such strong sense of smell, they can usually get the smell much easily and can get to that food and then can eat it. When you are keeping a food covered, then the ants usually cannot get to there easily. However, still they can actually get to the food. Now there are different kind of food. For example, in my experience, I have seen like food like cashew or resins can actually attract ants to a great extent. And even if I keep them covered, ants still finds a way to get in and usually succeed in getting in. I've also seen that honey also attracts ants a lot, and even if I'm keeping them covered, ants somehow gets inside it and then damages the honey. This will make them totally non-edible, and you cannot actually eat them after once so many ants sticks to the honey. And the honey is a sticky substance, so of course once ants gets inside it, they will get caught in that, and it will really become very difficult to get rid of the ants. Now, ants usually will not go away from your house without any kind of effort from your side. So you have to take precautionary measures in order to protect your food, and also you need to take few steps to get rid of the ants when they start infesting. Now, ants usually come out during the monsoon season, as I mentioned before. During other seasons, infestation is quite less. However, if you are keeping the food outside, infestation will automatically, you will see the whole ants, broad amount of ants coming into that place. So it's better to keep your food covered no matter what the season is, and that will stop the infestation to a great extent, if not to a complete extent. Now, since the ants will not be going away so easily, you can take few steps, like you can use different kind of materials like boric powder and other things to get rid of the ants and stop them from infesting your foods. Now, there are a few instances when ant can actually go out and can leave your place. If they find a different colony from where they can get even more amount of food, and your colony is not providing them adequate food, at that time ants can actually go to a different colony and can eat food. But that usually don't expect that to happen because the ants is going to be there for a long time, and even if that happens, can happen after a lot amount of time, and that thing can also be replaced with another group of ants. So that can be really problematic. So usually around a group where there can be different kind of ants, there can be small red ants, there can be black ants, there can be big black ants, and multiple ants can infest your food if you are keeping them uncovered, and that's a big problem. Now, in order for the ants, if you want to keep the ants away and you want to kill the ants, there are many kind of sprays out there. The ants repellent spray is also really effective, along with the boric acid, like I mentioned, boric powder, sorry, that I mentioned before. And along with that, you can also be different kind of repellent spray. There are other things like neem oil and this kind of thing. This is a natural repellent. Neem oil is a natural repellent which works against 200 different kind of pests, and it also works against ants. These things actually kills the ants, and some of these repellent can also kills the ants. So you can buy them if you're having too much trouble in your house, and then that will actually get rid of the ants and stop infesting. Expecting them to go away is not a really good idea because ants won't really go away that easily. once they infest a particular place, because they will be coming from different kind of places. They usually hide around the cracks and crevices within your house, and you won't be able to find them out. But once you keep your food uncovered, they will find your food and they will start infesting. So getting rid of the ant without doing anything is not that simple, unless and until they decide to go away, because there are huge number of ants in a particular colony, and if this colony is near your house, or let's say inside your house, then it's really difficult to get rid of the ants. So the only solution in that time is that you can use these remedies to get rid of the ants. So that's it for this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. Uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can receive my videos. Thank you.